So solve the following equation. The log of x base 9 is equal to 2. So when there's only one logarithm involved, the easiest way to do this is exponential form. So exponential form. Remember, that's an equivalent form. So remember, the 9 is the base and the 2 is the exponent. So I have 9 to the 2. That becomes one side of the equation. Therefore, that's going to equal x. So x is going to equal 81. So that means that the log of 81 base 9 should equal 2 because 9 squared equals 81. So it does check out. So if you wanted to, you can double check this. Does the log of 81 base 9 give me 2? So hit the math button, log base. So if I put a 9 there and put an 81 here, so remember the answer to a logarithm is the exponent of the base. So that 2 does work. It does check out. You also could graph it by going y equals, you could go math, you can go that 9, oops, lost myself there. Cool. There we go. Now to graph it though, this plus 2 has got to come over to the other side to set it to 0. So it's going to be a minus 2. If I graph this, then where it crosses the x-axis will be the solution. Don't see it cross the x-axis because it's way out there. Notice how I said the answer was 81. So if I change my window and say the x-max is say 100, and if I go by tens, I graph again, you can kind of see that, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, looks like it's crossing in that area. Again, if I hit the calculate button, I could find the 0 as well. So number 2. So notice how I got a left out already. And then just go right of all that mess, which this looks far enough because it starts to go above the, notice how the y values are now positive, where the x values here were negative. So the y value was negative here. So there's a change in sign. So notice how it takes me to 81. That's where your 0 is. So notice how the graph is not all that great. But if I look at the table, if you go down to 81, you'll see that it is 0 as well. So notice how doing it algebraically is by far the easiest way of doing this problem. So the solution to this problem would be, the solution set would be 81. So there's only one number that goes there.